Welcome back to my channel, you guys. My name is Eman. This is my quarantine glow up makeup. So I've kind of been living like a bum for the last week. I wasn't really getting up and getting ready. I wasn't doing anything because I was like kind of in this weird state of shock of everything that was been going on since Corona started. And then I had a turning point over the weekend and I realized that, you know what? This is the situation and it's not going away anytime soon. So I need to create a new normal. So my new normal is to get up every day, to shower, do my hair, and put makeup on, get dressed, and start my day like any other day. Having that routine has made me feel so much better, you guys. I literally went from just feeling so down and so depressed to just like, okay, we can handle this. We can do this. This is gonna be fine. So I literally just do this super natural quarantine glow up. I do it, oh, I completely forgot to mention, I'm not in my makeup room because I don't go in my makeup room to do my makeup every day. I sit in front of the window with natural light. I sit on the floor with just the mirror, and that's it. So I thought today would be perfect to actually just kind of sit and do my makeup with you, just to kind of show you what I've been doing. Hopefully, if you guys are in a funk because of everything that's going on, maybe this will make you feel a little bit better. All right, let's get into this video, guys. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name's Eman. Don't forget to add me on Instagram. It's also just my name, @Eman. All right, guys, let's do this quarantine glow up makeup. This is actually one of my favorite ways to do my makeup. Natural light, all my makeup on the floor, and I prefer this so much better than my makeup room setup, which is like a whole big thing. This is just literally my favorite way of doing my makeup. I'm still getting quite a bit of PR from brands. I don't know if it's like stuff that they shipped from before, but I'm still getting new makeup from brands, which is awesome. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some new products today, including this primer. This is from e.l.f. So this is their Putti Primer, and this has been around for a while, the matte one, but they came out with the luminous version. So I really like it. It's great if you have pores and you get shiny. I used the matte one and I just applied it where I get shiny and I have pores. And then if you're a little bit more on normal to dry, you could use the luminous to get like a really beautiful glow. Okay, for foundation, but actually before foundation, I have another new product. This is from Neutrogena. This is their Radiant Setting Spray from their Healthy Skin collection. You guys know I love their Healthy Skin collection. I'm actually just using this to wet my beauty blender because I'm too lazy to get up and wet it. I'm not gonna lie. And then for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour hydrating longwear. This is what I've been wearing pretty much every day for quarantine glow up. I'm telling you guys though, like I actually feel so much better getting ready every day. Like it's making a huge difference. When I was just sitting around in sweats all day long and like not showering, not doing my hair, I just did not feel good. It just didn't make me feel good. It made me just feel stuck. You know what I mean? Whereas now it's kind of like I get up every day, I get ready, I film, I edit, I do emails, I reach out to all my friends and family. So I feel like I have like a new routine now, whereas before it was just kind of like sitting and waiting and not knowing what's going on. Even though this quarantine situation is so crazy and it's so hard, and it's kind of unreal if you really think about what's going on. We're actually really lucky that we still have Wi-Fi, we still have cable, and we could watch movies and go on YouTube. So it could be way worse. I'm definitely adjusting and accepting, and I hope that all of you guys, wherever you are, I read comments on the last video. I know that this is affecting literally everyone. So I hope wherever you guys are, you know, you're feeling better and you're coping with the situation. And I hope that no one is sick, because that would break my heart. Know that we're all gonna get through this and look back at this. One of the craziest times in our lives, without a doubt, you guys. I have to say, brands have really been stepping up their concealer game. I have two brand new concealers from two different brands. The first one is from e.l.f. So this is their new hydrating camo concealer. The camo concealer from e.l.f. has been around, but now they came out with a hydrating version, and this has a satin finish to it. So this is a lot creamier. It just blends beautiful. I love it. And Neutrogena came out with new concealers as well. These are the Radiance Cream Concealer, also from their Healthy Skin collection. I've used both of these. I played around with both, and they're both really, really good. So I have two new favorite concealers. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. today. I'll tell you guys the shade that I'm using. Medium Peach. I really love this color. I think this is like the perfect tone for me. For the under eye area, this is just so creamy and so nice, you guys. And let me tell you what I used for the foundation. I used shade 2.22. This e.l.f. concealer is great because it's super creamy, but you're also getting the coverage, which I love. You guys know that's like the perfect combo for concealer. Coverage but creaminess. The light is going in and out. Oh my god, you guys, this totally reminds me of super ancient old YouTube days when I used to always just film in front of a window and the light would go in and out, and it would be so hard to fix it in editing. That is just so funny. That totally brought me back to like a million years ago. Oh my god. And I remember like little things would happen where like if it would get really dark, if it was raining outside, and if it was really cloudy, I couldn't film. Wow, I completely forgot about those days. Quarantine is making me think about a lot of things, you guys, a lot of things, but wow. Okay, time to set. I am using the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Powder. I talked about this in my last few videos. I love this powder. I don't know what it is about it. It just totally sets your makeup, but it's so lightweight. It's just one of the best powders I've ever used, and I really don't care much about powders. So the one major thing that has changed since being in quarantine is that I am so pale. You guys, I am as white as a ghost. Look how pale I am. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that I'm not getting a lot of sun, and I'm not getting spray tans. I'm not going outside. So I'm very, very pale right now, but I think I'm gonna start using some self-tanner. I don't know how much longer I can handle being this pale, but it's making me fall in love with bronzer like I've never loved it before. The one that I'm using is one of my favorites. This is from Mercier. This is their translucent loose setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. So this is their matte one, and I just love it because it's like, I don't know, I like that it's a loose powder. It just goes on really nice and natural. I kind of wear it all over when I'm like super pale like this because I need it. So just literally just put it all over with a big brush. This is gonna make me feel so much better, you guys. You don't even understand. When I'm like super pale, it just makes me feel really down. I need to be damned. And then once I have that, I'll put more on my brush. Swirl, swirl, swirl. That's a really hard word to say. Tap, tap, tap. And then I'll go in and like add more, like just like as I would like blush or regular bronzer. So like adding along my cheekbones, forehead, jawline. Not so much all over, just more like concentrated. I'm finding that, I don't know if it's just being at home or like not having social interaction, but like my talking is not as good as it used to be, if that makes sense. Like my sentences just don't sound right half the time anymore. I don't know what's going on. It looks so much better. Bronze it up, baby. Bronze it up. Okay. Ooh, I have another new product. This is from Persona Cosmetics. They came out with 2 new blushes. You guys know I love Persona. I literally haven't used a single one of their products that I haven't liked, and these blushes are no exception. They're beautiful. I love them. When I first saw the shades, I was like, oh, that's interesting. But when I tried this caramel, this color is gorgeous. This is like, it's that perfect everyday cheek, flushy cheek color. And I like to kind of apply this one all over. It's so pretty, you guys. I love this color. And it's funny because in the packaging, I feel it looks a little bit different than how it actually goes on. But I really, really love this color. And then I'll take a little bit, you guys know I love to layer blushes. I'll take a little bit of Georgia, which is a little bit more of a peach. And I'll just pop that right on the apples. And I usually kind of do this like X shape, like that. Oh my God, blush makes everything better. Wow. Okay, for brows, you guys, I've been keeping it so simple. I literally haven't even been really filling in my brows. I just feel like this is such a natural kind of undone makeup. All I've been doing is I've been taking my Dior palette, pretty much just doing like one swipe just at the highest arch of my brows. That's it. And that's it. Because I just don't want my brows to look filled in, because this is just such a light natural makeup. Like literally it's all I'm doing. Done, easy peasy. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick, something that I'm loving. So I have this palette. This is from Laura Mercier. I'm so sorry, this is discontinued. Well, it's not discontinued, it was a limited edition because it has all 4 shades of their highlighters. This palette is not available anymore, but you can get all 4 highlighters separately. So you can still get the highlighters, you just can't get it in this quad. The colors are Addiction, Ambition, Reflection, and Seduction. I love all of them. It is really pretty, but you can't get this, but you can get them individually if you want. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick, something I've been loving. So I take this highlighter palette and I have this brush from Lancome. It's a big fan brush on the top and then like a tiny little fan brush on the bottom. And this just makes my nose highlighter so perfect. I love it. Can you see that? Is it even showing? I feel like it's not showing up on camera. Hold on. In real life, it looks amazing. Just saying. I take the other side of the fan brush and I apply the other highlighters. This is so pretty. Oh my God. If you guys haven't tried the Laura Mercier highlighters, out of all of the high-end brands, they're my favorite highlighters. You guys, I know that I love a lot of drugstore highlighters, like the Maybelline Mega Chrome. I love that one. The Wet n Wild highlighters are some of my favorites, but if I'm thinking more like luxury brands, the Laura Mercier are probably my favorite. Oh, look how pretty this is. I love this makeup. It's so natural. Okay, for the eyes, you guys, I'm gonna be using a brand new product that if you are thinking of maybe buying an item, I know that this is a very, very, very hard time for everyone right now. So I am in no way pushing any products on you guys. That is the last thing I'm doing, trust me. But if, you know, sometimes we all need a little something to make us feel better. I know personally, like, you know, I turn to food to make me feel better. Other people turn to like shopping online. If you're looking for something to buy, this is what I'm gonna suggest. It is the brand new mascara from L'Oreal. This is their Bambi Eye Mascara. This is one of the best mascaras I've ever used. It just came out, it's brand new. I haven't been doing anything on my eyes at all because this mascara is just so pretty, you guys. I literally just curl my lashes, the really good eyelash curler to get a nice curl, and then I just apply this mascara and that's it. I usually hate waterproof mascaras, but for some reason I love this one. It makes your lashes look so long, and you could literally layer and layer and layer so many layers of this mascara and it does not make your lashes clumpy. Like, I wish you guys could see that. It kind of makes it look like you have lash extensions on. So I love this mascara. So I was really wanting to get back into using Grande Lash because I think I told you guys when I was using Grande Lash, it made my lashes so long. So if I'm using Grande Lash and this mascara, I feel like I would not ever need to wear false lashes again. Like, look how pretty that is. Kind of reminds me of the TikToker Addison Rae. Are you guys on TikTok? If you're not, you should definitely join. It's so fun. And if you are, follow me at Eman makeup, because I post there every single day and it's very different than anything you're gonna see here on YouTube. So definitely add me on TikTok, you guys. I actually love it. It's really, really fun. But anyways, there's this TikToker, her name's Addison Rae, and she has like the most gorgeous eyelashes. And I feel like my eyelashes look like that whenever I use this mascara. Normally, I never layer mascara because I hate that look of like clumpy mascara. Okay, speaking of clumpy lashes, not to be mean, but do you guys know who I'm gonna mention right now? I wish this was live so I could get a response. Who watched The Bachelor and saw Madison's lashes? Okay. If you did, leave a comment below. Honestly, her lashes drove me crazy. Every single time the camera panned on her and I just saw her lashes, I was like, no! I hated her lashes so much. It was just too clumpy and too much mascara. I love you, Madison. You're super beautiful. You're super sweet. You're the nicest girl ever. And Peter sucks for not picking you. But your mascara game, we just need to switch it up a bit. That's all. But that's why I never layer mascara, because it gets clumpy like that. But this one, I'm telling you guys, it does not get clumpy, which is amazing. Okay, so there, I could leave it at that, or I could go in and add more. So what I usually do is I'll go in and really just kind of work it mainly at the base. So like the base of my lashes looks really nice and dark. And then I'll kind of turn the mascara vertically, the wand vertically, and I'll like flick out the outer corners. And I'm telling you, this makes it look like you have lash extensions or falsies on. Like, I love that. And that is just mascara. Oh my God. Love it. Okay, time for lips, you guys. So this is what I've been doing for lips. I do this combo. It is the Kosas Wet Lip Oil. I love these. I have the shade Jellyfish and the shade Jaws. I start with a little bit of Jaws first. I don't put this color all over because it's like kind of like a red. Well, it's not kind of, it is a red. Okay, so I kind of put that on like that. But I don't want this to be red. So then I do a little bit like that. And then I go in with Jellyfish. I love these because they're lip oils. So they just feel so nice on. They're not glosses, they're oils. Very different. And when I mix these two shades, I feel like it just gives this really pretty flushed look to your lips. So it's not like red, it's not clear. Just kind of like a natural flush tint to your lips. That's it, you guys. That is my quarantine makeup. Oh my God, I love it. I have no idea what the light is gonna look like in this video. I really hope it's okay. This has been pretty much my routine every day, sitting here doing my makeup. I'm so happy I was able to do it with you guys. Maybe if you weren't doing this, try it out. It might help you kind of just feel a little bit better. I know it's helped me so much. And even now, like, you know, when I go on FaceTime with my girlfriends or with my family, like, I feel like I look put together on FaceTime rather than looking like a schlup like I did before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And my name's Eman. Hit that subscribe button because you're gonna get a ton of beauty videos and lots more. You can also find me on Instagram at Eman. And I'm actually doing a lot of lives on Instagram, you guys. So I'm going live with like a bunch of my other beauty girlfriends. So I'm doing a live with Roxy and like a bunch of other girls. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you add me at Eman. I love you guys. I really hope you're all getting through this crazy time. You're being safe. You are surrounding yourself with good energy. That is the only thing that is going to get us through this. And hopefully this will all be over soon and we'll look back at this time. I don't know what we're going to think. But staying positive is the most important thing. So I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.